This tutorial will demonstrate how to set up a module within D2L to house YouTube videos provided to students with disabilities to enable accessibility. Within the course, click on Content. Click on Add a Module. Provide a name for the module, in this case, LMS Videos. Click Enter. To add new pages to the module, click on New and select Create a File. Provide a title for the page. In the HTML editor, add text to provide detail as to the content of the video. Click on the Insert Stuff button. Click on Enter Embed Code and paste the code that you copied from the YouTube Share feature. Click Next, click Insert, and click Save and Close. From the Demo Student mode, ensure that the video is playing properly. Select Content, click LMS Videos, click on the link, and press the play button.